Hey guys, we are in Rocket's new room and she is getting a bed. Yay! Come over. Alright, so this is Rocket's room. We're setting up her new bed. Because you're so big! She decided she's done with her crib and we let her sleep on just her crib mattress on the floor for the last 36 hours since we moved in. And she's done great. She hasn't rolled off it or anything, so I guess we're ready for the bed and she's so excited about it. And she's doing great in her own room, so it's a lot of things all at once.
Edges.
It does have edges, but it has rails a little bit to try to help. So she's got a new house, like we're in a new house. She has her own bedroom for the first time ever. And she's now going into a bed, like her first bed instead of her crib. All in like 2 days, but she's doing good. She's a champ, so I guess we're just gonna go with it. I thought it would be too many changes at once, but she's loving all the change. Do you like all the changes that we have? Yeah. So we're gonna do it. We're just gonna show you how we're building this mattress. It is, which bed did we get, Rocket? Rocket wanted the teal blue color, so we got the teal blue Minnen bed. It's extendable from like a toddler bed up to a twin size. I don't remember which mattress it is that we got for her. It's the extendable as well. I will link it once we're done videoing because she's just ready to start building. But it's, I think it's like the most expensive one. It's like a pocket spring coil something. We wanted it to last for a while and I wanted it to be comfortable like our mattress is so that she would like it because she likes our mattress. We got some new sheets as well. I guess you gotta buy new sheets for each extendable size, which makes sense. So we got 2 fitted sheets, just white ones. and one like duvet cover set. She got the bear one. She decided she liked the bear pillowcase. Pretty much the idea of this video is to just show you how long it takes to make this bed, as well as give you a bit of a review of what's a hassle and what's not. If it comes with all the tools necessary, I still don't know. And how it holds up, I guess. And I guess if Rocket actually likes it. So let's get going. Okay, so this bed did take about 2 hours to put together. That's considering that I had a toddler helping me with it. So like giving her time to screw in screws and doing it with one person and a toddler most of the time. So that made it a lot longer than it needed to be. If you have 2 adults, it would definitely make it faster just because the pieces are kind of big and you need one person to hold it while you screw the other piece into it. That's really all. It wasn't difficult. It just could definitely use 2 older people, older than a toddler. This bed does come with all of the tools that you need, so you don't need any extra like screwdrivers or drills or anything, which is great. You really just need the IKEA Allen key. Hello, it has been a long time since we made this bed. I think it's been 1 year and 2 months. So how do you like it, Rocket?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, is it still good?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it sturdy?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that's good. Yeah, it's been a good bed. We haven't lengthened it yet. It can get longer. She's still perfectly fine in this size, so we keep it this size because otherwise it will take up more floor space and we want her to have more play space in the room instead of bed space. So it's been holding up for more than 1 year. I would recommend it. It's still cute. It still works. All right. Do you like sleeping in it?
Yeah.
Is it comfy?
Yeah.
That's good. Is it wobbly?
No.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Does it fall apart?
No.
Oh, that's good. That's good. What else is cool about it?
The small edge.
Mm-hmm. The rails, do they keep you from falling out?
Yeah.
If you haven't already, please remember to like this video and subscribe and push that little notification bell so that YouTube will tell you when new videos come out.
I can't say that.
That's a hard word, huh? Bye.
I have to say something to them both.
Okay.
I'm a bat today. And I hang upside down and Sheba upside down and stuff. See you next time.